Torrent.
Yeah, look at that. It's a torrent over the highway. Look at the waterfalls. That's common. I've seen that last year also. Was the torrent was flooding the area. So now I want to show you a big truck driver just behind me. So let me turn the wipers at the full speed. Full speed. Okay. Hey, faster. Wow, water. So look at this guy. How fast he is driving. I'm doing 80 and he does 110. So earlier he was pushing the little guy ahead. I don't know how to show it's a camera because it's so foggy. Maybe my lens is dirty or something. But he is really flying with that heavy load. And look at this little guy. Wow. It's I see the creeks. Okay, flying again. Look at the debris here. Oh, look at that. Oh, I'm flying. Oh, I have to watch out. Some of this stuff is being caused by the wow. It's caused by the work on the new pipeline. So they disturb the natural flow in some areas. So they built all sorts of trenches and pathways for the new pipeline. And for me, it's unique to see the torrents like that. I saw one last year before they started to build here. So it was a little creek that was flooding, and I've seen that before, but now I see more stuff coming down. I'm not sure, I can't say if it's really related to the pipeline construction or it's just a look at that. So I need to slow down. Whoa! What the heck? I never seen the torrents rushing with so much mud and flooding the highway. That's kind of new to me. And I drove the highway through the rainy season before. Like I said, only one creek was doing that. See, another puddle. Those are normal. Yeah, it's just like not a big of a deal. I'm curious about the Hope flat floods or something. There is a nice waterfall, and I'm going to stop in the area in a couple of minutes. So I see one of the waterfalls on the mountain. Oh, look at this much water. Whoa. Yeah, but the thing is, that dirt is near the work sites. So to me, it looks like the dirt that's coming down, it's coming from... Okay, I need to be careful here. Okay, slow down. Yeah. Oh yeah, I see the one of the waterfalls. No, that's nothing. There is one, the big one on the mountain, is like really rushing, and so here also puddle. Okay, slow down. Did you see that guy in the front? Okay, so I need to watch those guys ahead of me. Yes, flying. Wow. So, wow, what the heck? So much water on the waterfall. Whoa, never saw it like that. Never. It's like almost the size of Shannon Falls, and usually it's like you barely see it, you barely notice. You have to look to notice that waterfall. Wow, that's such a water phenomena. Oh yes, flying. It's like I'm boating here. Hey, look at here. So I'm boating. Oh, what the heck is that? Why I got out of the house today? Am I stupid? So that's see, another part of this pipeline project. So I expect that the next creeks, or the next little creeks, streams, to be full of mud. Let's see, maybe I'm totally wrong. Yeah, no creek, it's just a work site. Let me defog this thing. It gets noisy, but at least I can see. Okay, 80 km/h construction zone. I'm doing 80 anyway. I'm not driving fast. I don't need flying today. No, 80. Oh yeah, I feel these things in a steering wheel. Okay. I just passed the highway signs. It says Highway 1 is closed, not far from Hope. And Highway 5, it's also closed, detour via Highway 3. So I was going on Highway 3 anyway. My assumption is that Highway 5 is closed because of the heavy snow on the top. That's just an assumption. I don't know. I'm supposed to check driving conditions at Ministry of Transportation website. So these signs on the highway give you a limited warnings and information. At least they warn you in advance that the highway is closed and you should not adventure there. I thought, that would be interesting to see the heavy snow. But good thing that they closed the highway. So I have a clear purpose of my trip today. But I thought I could take a longer route. Instead of going straight to my destination, I could take a longer one and see the weather event on the Coquihalla Highway. I thought that was my kind of thinking. But good thing that they closed the highway. Wow, there is a rushing creek. Wow, I never saw that rushing creek like that. So I'm going to stop it right here. So So that's the way the creeks are digging into the rock, bringing boulders down. Wow, it's something. Yeah, some wind. So this jerk did not want to let me in. So that's a common area for strong crosswinds. You look at the trees and look at the highway sign here. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to take the next exit, which is Flood Hope. Some waterfalls, but this is not high volume of water, because the water finds its way on the other side of the mountain. I see some water. Not too bad here. Yeah, the next exit. I'm going to take the next exit and stop by the flood. Oh wow! So they go through some puddling water. So let's see here. I have the cops. Okay, so someone got into. Oh, look at that! So I have to record this thing. The highway patrol, probably she saw me holding the camera. Oh, look at that! So I have to stop by that flooding area, because most likely it's going to be full of water. There's not much they can do here. With the little cars, some people don't adventure through this area. Oh yeah, look at that. The water is... Oh, look at this waterfall. Wow, I never saw such an event here. And people are walking in the rain. Look at how the water is coming down the mountain. Let me see if I can go on that side. So I'm taking this exit because I want to see an area that I never saw it flooded. That's why it's called Hope Floods. Oh yeah, oh yeah. Oh, it's all flooded. Oh wow. Look at the mountains. What the heck is that? Wow. What the heck? Wow, such a spectacle. Wow. I'm like Let's see here. Oh yeah, so usually it's dry. Usually here is nothing. It's just whoa, the rushing water here. Never saw it like that. Oh, of course I can't cross. Oh, okay. I mean, I could squeeze in. Oh, look at that. It's full. So the thing is, if I want to cross, I may not be able to come back because it's filling up with water. Look at that. I never saw this thing, and I always wanted to see during this type of heavy rain. Wow, this is like a so again, this is dry. Usually it's dry. It's first time I see it like that. Someone is trying to walk the dog. What? What? Who has the balls? The dog owner or the dog? Hello. Oh yes, so it's filling up this area, so I cannot go past this area of the road. Look at that, look at that. So I will have a look, see if the water is the levels are raising here, because I need to know if I want to cross this thing or not. So I'm holding a mark, but look at this much rain. So letting you go already long video about rain on the Highway 1, and I want to share my amazement. See you later in another video. Bye bye.